Hi friends, my name is Kalpesh and welcome back to my official YouTube channel Automotive Trucks. I am trying to provide the best possible online resources for those who are eager to learn about the automotive technology from home. In this video, I am going to discuss what is the method for rating the lubricant. So stay tuned and keep learning. Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss what is the method for the rating the lubricants. First, we need to understand why we require a rating method for lubricants available in the market. Number of manufacturers are available. They are producing the different types of lubricants for the vehicles, specifically for the engine and the different transmission parts. We need to understand which type of quality or we can say which type of properties are required to lubricate the different engine parts or different transmission parts. So the ratings, it significantly prescribes the property of the lubricant, engine lubricants, by which we can differentiate the available lubricants in the market. So in this video I'm going to discuss the method for the ratings by which we can differentiate the lubricants. So let's get started. Selection of the lubricant for engine application is based on the temperature at which the engine is to be started and it is operated, at which atmospheric condition or at which temperature our engine is going to be started, and at which condition, specifically temperature, it will operate. This will affect the selection of engine lubricant and the type of service to which the engine is to be subjected to. During the normal servicing of the engine, which type of service is applicable for a particular type of engine, it's also affect on the selection procedure for the engine lubricant. The SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers, has been developed the standard that specify the engine oil viscosity classification, and that standard is SAE J300. This SAE J300 standards, it emphasizes on the viscosity, it emphasizes on the engine oil viscosity classification, and on the basis of the viscosity, the SAE prescribed the two grades for the engine application. One which is called the single grade engine oil, second it is known as a multi-grade engine oil. So let's discuss each one step by step. The first one, it is known as a single grade engine oil. As I said, SAE has prescribed the standard which is known as a SAE J300. It has 11 viscosity grades. Amongst 11 viscosity grades, 6 are considered for the winter environment, which are known as the winter grades, and it is and they are given a W designation. The 11 viscosity grades which is prescribed by the SAE under SAE J300, they are designated like this. It is designated with the help of numbers here: 0W, 5W, 10W, 15W, 20W and 25W. Up to this, as I said, these 6 grades, they are winter grades. They are specified for the winter condition or the cold condition. The later on, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60, these engine oil grades, they are single grade engine oil. They are not designated with the W, So you can consider they are operated at certain high range of temperature. These numbers are often referred to as the weight of the motor oil. Single grade motor oil are often called the straight weight oils. So again, I would like to emphasize on the single grade oil, the grades which are prescribed by the SAE under SAE J300. Total 11 grades have been decided by the SAE. Among us 11, the 6 are for the winter condition. You can consider the cold weather condition, and the rest of 5, they are for the high temperature range. For single winter grade oils, the dynamic viscosity is measured at different cold temperature. Most specifically, we can say that it is measured at 0 degree Fahrenheit temperature. They are measured in the megapascal or the equivalent older non-SI unit centipoise, which is designated like small c and capital P. This measurement, it is taken under the two different test method, one which is known as a cold cranking simulator, which is prescribed by ASTM, and this is the specific standard number ASTM D5293. Likewise, the second method by which the single winter grade oil is tested, it is known as a mini rotary viscometer, and the ASTM grade is prescribed here. Based on the coldest temperature at which the oil can flow, it is graded as 0W, 5W, 10W, 15W, 20W or 25W. In this designation method, the first figure, for example, we are considering 10W. This 10, it indicates the viscosity of the particular oil at 0 degree Fahrenheit temperature. So likewise, you can say this W stands for the winter weather condition, with winter grade. Likewise, you can consider for 15W, that means it is the 15, it indicates the viscosity of particular oil at 0 degree Fahrenheit temperature, and it is utilized for the cold weather condition. The lower is the viscosity grade, the lower will be the temperature at which the oil can flow. So for cold weather condition, we can go with the lower grades of the engine oil. For single non-winter grade oil, that means they are designated by simple number 20, 30. Likewise, the kinematic viscosity is measured at a temperature 100 degrees centigrade in the unit of mm per second, or the another unit that we can utilize, that is the centistrokes. Sometimes it is written in CS. Now, based on the range of the viscosity the oil falls in that temperature, the oil is graded as SAE viscosity grade 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. These 5 grades, they are utilized for the higher the temperature range. Higher the viscosity, the higher is the SAE grade. Simple. The second, it is known as a multigrade oil. Now, as its name suggests, multigrade, that means it is the mixture of different types of grades, engine oil grades. The temperature range for multigrade oil is exposed to the most automobile can be wide. This multigrade engine oil can sustain, or this multigrade engine oil can provide a better viscosity with wide range of the temperature. And that's why it is known as a multigrade oil. It can range from cold temperature in the winter before the vehicle is started up to the hot operating temperature when the vehicle is fully warm up in hot summer weather. That means, as I said, it provides significant lubricant properties with wide range of the temperature from cold weather temperature to the hot summer weather condition. A specific single grade oil will have a higher viscosity when cold and lower viscosity at the engine oil operating temperature. So to achieve the combined property of single grade engine oil, to bring the difference in the viscosity closer together, special polymer additives are added to produce the multigrade engine oil. These special polymer additives, they are known as a viscosity index improvers, VIIS, viscosity index improvers. And it is not compulsory to add the viscosity index improver to produce the multigrade engine oil every time. We can produce the multigrade engine oil without adding such polymer additives too. The multi-viscosity oil, or you can say multigrade engine oil, is one that has a low viscosity when a cold weather condition for easier cranking, and higher viscosity when hot temperature to provide the adequate lubrication during the operating condition. So this is the requirement for the multigrade engine oil. Multigrade engine oil are rated at two different temperatures. The SAE designation method for multigrade engine oil include two viscosity grades. They are designated, for example, they are designated like SAE 10W30. Likewise, you can call it SAE 20W40. This is the specific designation method which is defined by the SAE under SAE J300 standard. This designation method, what does it indicate? For example, we consider this grade SAE 20W40. The first figure, this 20, it indicates the relative flowability. This you can say that this engine oil has a viscosity which is equals to this 20 single grade engine oil at cold weather condition, and simultaneously this another number, it indicates the relative resistance to the film breakdown. At higher operating temperature range, it sustains and it will behave like a single grade engine oil which has a grade equal to 40. So this ultimately this 20W40, that means this engine oil has a quality of two single grade engine oil which are designated by 20W and the 40. This 20W, it is for the cold weather condition, and 40, it is for the high temperature operating range. So this is the designation method which is prescribed by the SAE. Now apart from this two fundamental grading method which is prescribed by the SAE, single grade engine oil and the multigrade engine oil, nowadays in market you can observe the synthetic oil. The manufacturers claim that these have a superior lubricating property, that means it has a highest required qualities for the lubrication purpose. I personally experienced that because in my car I'm always going with the this synthetic oil. There are several basic types of synthetic oil. Most widely used at present is produced from the organic acid and the alcohol, and the rest one, they are produced from the chemical process of coal and the crude oil. This crude oil, it is not the natural crude oil, it is chemically processed crude oil, and with the help of some chemical process this synthetic oil can be produced from this crude oil. So thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching this video with attention. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell button so you will get notification for every stuff that I'm going to upload and you will not miss anything. Thank you so much.